Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to print a selection in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're working with large spreadsheets, but only need to print specific portions, saving both paper and time. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. You'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with your Google Workspace account. This step is essential as it gives you access to all your stored spreadsheets and documents. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Workspace dashboard. Here, you'll see all your recent files and folders. Take a moment to locate the specific spreadsheet you want to print a selection from. Click on it to open the file. This will load your spreadsheet in the main editing view where you can see all your data and make any necessary adjustments before printing. Now that your spreadsheet is open, look toward the top left corner of your screen and click on File. This will open a drop-down menu with various options for managing your document. From this menu, click on Print. This action will take you to the Print Preview screen, where you can configure exactly how your spreadsheet will appear on paper. You'll notice that the Print Preview shows you have multiple pages, depending on how much data your spreadsheet contains. This is where the real customization begins. On the right side of the screen, you'll see several printing options. Look for the section labeled Scale and click on the drop-down menu next to it. From the options that appear, select Fit to Width. This setting is crucial because it ensures that all your columns fit neatly onto a single page width, making your printed selection much more readable and professional looking. After adjusting the scale settings, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll find a button labeled Next. Click on it to proceed to the final printing stage. This brings up your system's standard print dialog, where you can select your printer and make any final adjustments. And there you have it, your Google Sheet is now ready to print a selection with all the proper formatting and scaling applied. This method ensures that your printed documents look clean and organized, fitting perfectly on the page without cutting off important information. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.